Our range of battery-powered chainsaws means there is a saw for every job. And pros know you have to have the right tool for the job. For jobs like pruning and crown reduction, where accuracy takes precedence over power, we have the T540i XP and 540i XP. Their throttle response, directly linked to the brushless motor, provides precise control over chain speed for surgical level precision to promote overall tree health. For jobs that require more power, such as crane work and removals, the T542i XP and 542i XP come in clutch. The added torque from the clutch becomes crucial for overload protection when working with larger tree sections. Wherever the job takes you, there is a Husqvarna saw that will meet you there.